I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May 1st to May the 7th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan. So, pwede po kayong sumali. No? Marami tayong pag-uusapan ngayon. Pisces, nandiyan ang finances or wealth, career and job. Of course, the majorities of you are here for romantic reading. So, nandiyan ang singles, crushes, no? No labels, or nandito kayo sa situationships, of course, magjowa or in a relationship, married couple, and a third party situation, no? So, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Pagpasensyahan nyo na dahil medyo straightforward itong oracle cards natin, may pagka-maldita, no? Take a shot. So, sinasabi dito kung ano man yung iniisip mo, gawin mo na, no? Don't take 12, take 1, or okay, maybe 2, no? Move on. Siguro, meron din tayo mga bagay na paulit-ulit natin ginagawa. Sinabi nga dito, once is enough, twice is too much, hanggang doon na lang. Third time, I feel like it's no longer an accident, no? Parang sinasadya na natin. So, kung meron tayong mga pinipilit na bagay, siguro hanggang doon na lang, huwag na paulit-ulit. Or, kung paulit-ulit naman nating pinag-iisipan lang at hindi pa natin ginagawa, it's time to take action. No? It's time to parang take a risk. Even a calculated risk will do. No? The King of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. So parang nandito tayo sa situation na lagi na lang natin iniisip, lagi na lang tayong, nabubuhay tayo sa dreaming state, which is very Pisces, no? Gusto naman natin gawin, pero parang everyday na ginawa ng Diyos. Gigising tayo, we are going to manifest on it, and then we're going to browse our phone, and then makikita na lang natin, gabi na pala uli, and wala akong nagawa, no? I feel like this is the time for you to at least take an action. Kung hindi kasi mauubos tayo dito with the Ten of Swords, parang baka maubusan tayo talaga ng oras, no? Sabi nga nila, hindi ko sinasabing ito mangyayari sa inyo, no? Pero naalala ko lang na ang pinakamayaman na lugar daw sa mundo, no, is sa sementeryo. Why? Dahil maraming pangarap, no, na kasamang naibaon kasama ng tao na hindi man lang binigyan ng chance na ipanganak, no, dito sa mundo yung kanilang pangarap. Marami sanang mayayaman doon, marami sanang mga world leaders doon, no? Marami sanang pilantropo na nandoon na tumutulong talaga sa mahirap, pero dahil siguro sa takot, no, hindi nila ginawa. Finances or wealth, I feel like, siguro kung gusto mong mag-business, go ahead and do it. Kung kinakailangan magdagdag ng items sa iyong mga paninda, no, or iyong products, by all means do it. When it comes to the career or job, siguro kung iniisip mo naman, no, baka kasi meron kang isa, dalawa, or tatlong job, if that works for you, that works for you. Pero yung health mo, dapat ingatan mo din naman. Kung medyo naman sobrang dami na, baka kailangan mo magbawas, especially if, again, your health is being at risk. Relationship-wise, singles, I feel like ikaw ang choosy, no? I have to really be honest in here. Hindi ko naman sinabing sobrang babaan mo ang iyong standards. Okay, merong standards. Pero I feel like sa kakaantay mo ng perfect, no, na tao para sa'yo, baka naman agiw-agiw na yan, no? Kaya kailangan, siguro medyo dali natin sa katotohanan, no, itong ating standards. Crushes and no labels, medyo iba yun sa inyo, no? Crushes, no labels, sama natin third party situation. I feel like you're settling for less. The reason being why I said that is because meron pa kasing mga opportunities na dadating. But then again, ikaw itong makulit na hindi ka naman pinapansin or wala nang gana sa'yo, no? Hindi talagang obvious na wala nang hindi ka nang importante doon sa tao. Medyo mapilit pa rin tayo. Again, that's very Pisces, no? In a relationship and married couples, I feel like nandito din tayo sa mga situation na siguro naiisip mo, bakit si ganito, bakit si ganyan, mas okay naman ako dyan, pero mas maayos naman ang buhay ngayon. So, probably you're comparing yourself to others, which I feel like, siguro, meron kasing magandang inggit, may positibong inggit, merong negative inggit, no? Drag that negative inggit to positive inggit. Ano ba yung magandang inggit? Meron siyang ganon, kaya niya yon, kaya ko rin. So, that person becomes your inspiration, no? To do the same thing. So, yun yung magandang inggit. Yung pangit na inggit is, kinumpare mo na ngayon yung sarili mo, siniraan mo pa, pati ikaw nasisira, di ba? So, yun ang pangit na inggit. The Two of Swords, the Five of Swords, and the Nine of Swords. So, ang nakikita natin dito, I feel like, ayaw na rin natin itong situation natin na masyado tayong nag-overthink. Pinaglalabanan naman natin, okay, I understand that. Pero kailangan din ito ng matinding disiplina when it comes to our attitude, no? Towards this pinagdadaanan nga or itong energy na ito. When it comes to finances or wealth, siguro, gusto nating meron tayong malaking savings, medyo bawas-bawasan din natin itong pagiging impulsive buyer, no? Matuto tayong disiplinahin yung sarili natin to probably learn something on how to handle money, no? With the Five of Swords in here, I feel like medyo nandito din tayo sa situation na pilit nating binabangon, pero tayo din kasi ang merong problem when it comes to spending, no? Careers and job, ang dami mong gustong gawin. Isa-isa lang, no? Again, siguro kung may clone ka, bakit hindi? Diba? Kung kaya mong tagtarin yung sarili mo, gawin mong sisig, no? Tapos lahat yun kikilos ng kanya-kanya, pwede. Pero kung isa lang yung katawan mo, I feel like you need to choose ano ba muna yung pinaka-priority, no? And then doon tayo mag-focus. Or baka meron din naman nag-work doon muna sa pinaka-less priority. Whatever rock your boat, no? Doon tayo. Sa relationship, no? Singles, crushes, um, ayan na, medyo na-obsess na tayo or baka hindi na tayo nakakapagtulog-tulog kasi masyado na nating masyado nang na focus ang ating sarili dito sa person natin, no? With that Knight of Wands and the Hangman. So, ang nakikita natin dito, I feel like since wala naman nangyayari, move forward, no? Since wala namang chance for now, might as well, no, try a different path. Yun ang sinasabi dito. When it comes to in a relationship and married couples, so kung nandito tayo sa medyo rocky ang situation ng ating relationship, medyo habaan yung pasensya, huwag tayong bibitaw doon, no? Kasi, yes, it's stressful, pero I feel like there's also a hope of winning in here, no? Third party situation, well, siguro, dapat you need to stay. Hindi naman para magpakamaltir. Kasi ang energy dito is stay dahil dadating yung time na ikaw yung pipiliin. When it comes to separated couples, I feel like medyo ganun din. Stay and babalik naman. No? With the Queen of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Ten of Cups, gusto ko itong nangyayari, or this might be, or ito na yung nangyayari ngayon, or very, very soon. The Queen of Wands, Nine of Wands, and the Ten of Cups, especially for those who are in separated situation or separations. I think the conversation is going to happen in here. And with the Ten of Cups, I feel like manunumbalik itong init ng relasyon ninyo. Married couples, third-party situations, yeah, nakakita ko ikaw pipiliin in the very end. Magjowa, siguro dito tayo sa part na rocky din ang situation, pero I feel like manunumbalik kung gaano kayo katamis, no? Or gaano kayo katamis, gaano katamis yung relationship ninyo. No? No labels, well, I feel like in the future, or nagsisimula na ito, na nagkakaroon na rin ng interest itong si person sa'yo. No? Crushes and singles, baka naman kapag nakahanap ka na ng iba, ikaw yung habulin, no? So, ganti ba yon, no? Paghiganti ng isang api dahil ako ay naghanap, ngayon hahabol-habol ka, no? When it comes to career and job, I feel like dadating yung time na siguro mag-stick ka na lang sa isa, and nakikita ko dito na mamahalin mo itong trabahong ito, no? Finances or wealth, I feel like makakahanap ka ng isang, yung business na para sa iyo or isang opportunity na meron kang, yung wealth mo is dire-diretso, no? And I think that you're gonna love this, no? Let's get some message from the universe. Make it your mission to accept all parts of you. Baka din naman kasi masyado tayong hard sa sarili natin or harsh sa sarili natin. I feel like you need even to take a break. Break is needed, no? Kung di na kaya break, kung napapagod, pahinga, no? Huwag lang bibitaw, no? That's different. Okay, magpahinga, pero hindi bibitaw, no? The good and what you perceive to be your imperfection. So, eto na nga, dahil parang feeling natin we're a failure, dahil hindi naman nagmamanifest itong ating mga ginagawa sa buhay, baka, mag-change tayo ng path, no? Or, magaling ang Pisces dito, hindi nga skugol, no? Nagsimula ka na, tapusin mo na yan, no? If it's already within you, don't look for any outside validations. Ayan. Once you realize your true beauty and potential, you will never doubt yourself again. And I think that this is the time wherein you're going to surprise yourself dahil meron ka palang ganyang patience, no? Meron ka palang ganyang will. I think that you need to unleash that within yourself, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong sabihin na sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live tayo doon, ha? So, pwede kayong magtanong. Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatahimikin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo din sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, and amount per question for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. No? And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Baka kapwa Pisces ito. Leo, Scorpio, Sagittarius. Yeah, so I think that's it. This is your reading, no? Pisces, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the